The 8th of June 2021 has seen a decline in positive cases in the state of Meghalaya. The district administration has relaxed a few restrictions on non-essential services so as to enable the public to get their pending work done. On the other hand, essential services have been allowed to open a few days a week with the regulation of the incident commander of respective zones all across Shillong Agglomeration.
We are into the second week of June 2021, and for the past few days we have seen a considerable decrease in the rise of positive cases in the entire state of Meghalaya. Well, the district administration has also lifted a few restrictions where some non-essential shops have been allowed to reopen with the permission and suggestion of the incident commander of every zone. Shops like mobile and computer repairing shops, and also Xerox and stationery shops, hardware shops, automobile repair shops, and the sale of automobile spare parts have been allowed in the state of Meghalaya. As of today, the 8th of June 2021, the total active cases in the state of Meghalaya are 4,924. As of active cases of today, the positive cases of today, there are 379 positive cases, new cases, with 773 recoveries and 9 deaths. We are hopeful once again that the lockdown that is going to continue will allow us to break the chain of the virus. But yet again, we urge everyone to please take care of yourselves so that we can actually make Meghalaya a COVID-free state. With camera person Refulgent, this is Bethleen Dakar for Media Plus Shillong.